Here's a little tidbit in Visual Studio Code that will help you get your indenting properly. There is no reason when you have tools available to you that the code should not be indented properly from here on out. And here's a shortcut for you. Here's an example. Here is a div, and there's an input and a closing div. And so all of this should be indented, and some of this is and some of it isn't. So let me give you a shortcut of something I would recommend. So in your extensions, what I would install is I think I have Prettier on here. So there's two different ones. Prettier is the one that I will highlight in this particular version. I've also used Beautify in the past, but regardless, either one will work. So I have installed Prettier. And so when you click on it, you're going to choose Install. As I said, I've also used another one called Beautify. They both do the same thing. So I haven't found that I like one better than the other. They both do the same thing. So whichever one you want to use. But here's the secret. So once you install either one, then I want you to come into your, let me close this up here. Then you're going to come into your settings, and you're going to do two things. One, you're going to search for, and I'll type it in, default formatter. And you want to set your default. See where it says edit default formatter? Choose one or the other. I think I have both in here. So I'm going to choose Prettier at the moment. And either one will work. It doesn't matter, but make sure you choose one of them. And then you're also going to search for format on save. And probably save with one V and not two. Let's see what we got here. There we go. So where it says here, editor format on save, make sure that this is checked, and I'll show you why. So if this is checked and you've chosen that formatter that I just showed you, what will happen then is I have to physically save. So if I choose File and Save, or hit Control, or the whatever that is, Command S, or whatever it is for a Mac or a PC, the point is if I save, watch what will happen. There we go. I guess I wasn't hitting the right button. Anyway, I was hitting Control instead of Command. Sorry about that. Once I hit Saved, it's automatically going to do the best it can to indent based on what I have. And so that's going to give you a better laid out and more readable and more industry standard if you're indenting properly. So again, now it shouldn't ever be an issue, so that if you copy in code and it's all not lined up right, remember to save and Command S for save, or File Save, and it's going to indent everything for you. So hopefully this tool helps.